guys, Kyla here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys is another unboxing for Oppo's newest release, which is the Oppo Reno12F 5G. So in this video we will talk about what's inside the box and also the specs of this newest phone, which is the Oppo Reno12F 5G. So before we start, let us unbox this box.
Now let us start with the unboxing. So upon opening the box, we will see the Oppo Reno12F 5G. And inside the box, we will also see a jelly case, a SIM ejector tool, and also the manuals, a 45-watt SuperVOOC charger, and also the Type-C charger cable. And this is what's inside the box of the Oppo Reno12F 5G.
So here is the Oppo Reno12F 5G na kung saan nakikita nyo guys na napakaganda ang kanyang design, and this is in the color amber orange.
Oppo Reno12F 5G is also available in the color olive green.
So the color amber orange is inspired by the color 2024 Pantone color of the year. An enchanting fashion-forward pink and orange gradient with shimmering, energetic flame texture that flicker in the light. So another thing for its design is the Cosmos ring design, which brings those luxury watch feels to your phone. Another fun feature of the Oppo Reno12F 5G is its halo light. So if you receive any notifications or kahit anumang mga tawag, itong halo light natin ay mag-ailaw siya guys. So another thing na nagustuhan ko dito is hindi siya mabigat sa kamay, and it has a slim body, and it also weighs only about 187 grams, and its thickness is only about 7.76 millimeters.
Now let's check if this is a single SIM or a dual SIM. So as you can see here guys, this is a dual SIM.
So for its display guys, it has a 6.67-inch display at ang ating screen ay isang OLED screen guys. So para naman sa IP guys, meron ito siyang IP64 water and dust resistant. So ano nga ba itong IP64? So IP stands for ingress protection. So ito yung protection na makukuha mo against water and dust particles. At para naman kapag ikaw ay nasa ulan, okay lang kasi kahit nasa ulan ka guys, kahit nalagyan na to ng ulan, ng mga patak-patak dyan ng ulan, okay lang kasi nga, it has an IP64. It will still keep working and you can also use it while nauulanan ka. Meron siyang protection sa water and dust, so hindi siya masisira kaagad-agad. At para naman sa kanyang resolution guys, meron siyang Full HD Plus resolution of 1080p by 2400. And now let us talk about its performance. Para naman sa kanyang processor guys, meron siyang MediaTek Dimensity 6300.
At para naman sa storage guys, it has an 8GB of RAM and also a 256GB of ROM. And for its refresh rate, it has a 120Hz refresh rate. If you want to conserve more battery, you can switch it to 60Hz refresh rate. Or if you want a more smoother experience, you can also switch it up to 120Hz refresh rate. For its gaming guys, I would say that this is a mid-range gaming phone, and it can keep up with games such as Mobile Legends, PUBG, Call of Duty, and other games as well.
At ngayon naman guys, let us talk about the battery of the Oppo Reno12F 5G. So for its battery guys, it has a 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt SuperVOOC charge. By the way guys, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-worry sa kanyang charger kasi meron na siyang provided na charger sa kanyang box. And another plus for the Oppo Reno12F 5G is it has a 4 years durable battery life. And now guys, let us move on to the speaker. Yes, may speaker pa tayo guys kasi there's something really special special about its speaker. So para naman sa speaker ng ating Oppo Reno12F 5G, it has a dual speaker. Yes, you heard me right. Hindi lang isa, kundi dalawa. And because it has a dual speaker, i-expect mo na guys na hindi lamang 100% or 200%, kundi 300% ang volume na makukuha mo dito sa Oppo Reno12F 5G. So isipin nyo yun guys, hindi lang 100, hindi lang 200, kundi 300. So this is very perfect if you love loud music or if you want to feel or immerse yourself in gaming. And now lastly, let us talk about the camera of the Oppo Reno12F 5G. So para naman sa camera guys, it has a 50MP ultra clear main camera and also a 2MP macro camera and also a 8MP ultra-wide camera. Para naman sa kanyang front cam guys, it has a 32MP clear selfie camera. And another fun fact about this guys
is it has an AI smart image na kung saan pwede nyo i-cut out ang mga images or objects sa inyong picture. So usually nakikita ko lang ito sa mga iPhone, but ngayon meron na rin siya dito sa Oppo Reno12F 5G. So another feature of this guys is the Google Lens. So dito sa Google Lens guys, you can take pictures of any object and then it will show you similar results of that picture.
For you to have a better idea on the camera guys, I will show you a few pictures and also video para malaman nyo kaano ang makuha nyo sa Oppo Reno12F 5G. So that is all for today's video guys. Thank you very much for watching and also don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video.